What is up, you guys? Exchange Interactive here, back with yet another video on the YouTube channel. So, I've been working on this project for a while. This devlog video, and I've kind of just been showing off me working on different aspects of the game. So, I want to show you some of the stuff I've completed so far. So, usually we choose the faction zombie. As y'all have seen. So I see a lot of things different. On the camera, I got this box, so you know which direction the camera's in. As you know from last week, we did the dots on the mini map. You know, you can move across the mini map, of course. I've been really focusing and working on the units lately. So as you see now, there's a selection box around the units, and I've just been honing in on making this the best it can be, as far as functionality wise, with what we had already previously had implemented or had in the game. And then when I get done with that, then I'll be willing to showcase some of the stuff that it'll be able to do in the future. So I've gotten some basic stuff together. Like if I go over here, as you can see, with the unit selected, it got this little different cursor on the screen. And if I go all the way over here to where the robots will be, see the cursor changes. So this is the attack cursor. So whenever this is hovered over units, they'll go and attack that if they're not already interested in attacking a building or a unit already. So usually I just use that and it'll go in the direction, or I'll go and attack units that it is interesting. So I'm still working out the kinks on some of this. Like I will say that zombies are less behaved than the rest of the factions when it comes to attacking. Like I believe I've had more trouble out of zombies than anything else, and I'll show you what I mean. So if I go back here and go to the robots, and wait until the units get spawned in. Let's see what I'm talking about. Let's upgrade some of these buildings to drone pads, and you'll see what I mean. Control over the units. But there's so much stuff that can be done and needs to be done. I just saw that building. So we're getting closer to that point where a lot of these units, a lot of the stuff that I've created over this entire time of working on this project is coming along decent. It's just little bugs and everything. So as y'all can see, what has been going on and some of the updates that have been made to it. My whole thing this entire video, and probably the next few videos, is to properly clean out this entire project. To go through, refactor everything, put things away that need to be put away before we add anything else to the project. I do have a lot more that I'm thinking about adding, which are I'm hoping to add placement of buildings. So you'll be able to place your own buildings, just like any traditional RTS game. So, like I was saying, with this, I feel like I have more control over the robots than I do with zombies. Like, I can literally move that over here. There are multiple buildings over here in this area, and I can separate the groups into different groups easier than I can with zombies. And that's partly probably due to different components being off. So my whole thing over the course of this video and review is just literally just doing cleanup. We'll just be doing cleanup throughout the entire project and making it functional. Because initially when I created a lot of these projects, cleanup wasn't necessarily what I had in mind. I wasn't working on cleanup. That wasn't necessarily what I was thinking about. And as time has gone on and I've made more projects and new projects, cleanup was harder, or at least, keeping the file less dirty. That's how I ended up publishing out Ether Liquids. So now that Ether Liquids is published out, people can go and take a look at it, then, that shows that I can do it, and everything. It just will take a lot of perseverance and a lot of patience to fix those problems throughout the project and clean up the entire project, so new and some of the old features can be fixed. Because currently right now, if those buildings hadn't spawned back in and I was able to destroy all those buildings, that they should have been defeated. They shouldn't have even had a chance to respawn or whatever. So definitely a lot of this stuff needs to be take a look at a lot of this stuff and go and actually fixing this stuff, because some of this is real buggy. I will say that. So as you can see, you can spawn in multiple it spawns in multiple rounds of units. All these units you don't have to pay for at the moment. I'm hoping in the future you'll have to pay for these units. The only thing that you're paying for are the buildings, but as they spawn in on their own, you don't have to pay for them. But if you were to upgrade them or sell them, you gain money. If you gain money from selling them, or vice versa and everything. So as you can see, you got this big giant green circle, and that's all because it's trying to fit all of the units inside of one selective ring. As you can see, the zombies are still spawning back in. So they still have a chance to win, which they won't, because the robots are the best. Whoever I play as are the best. So yeah. So that's what's going on. It's functioning for the most part. It just needs to be cleaned up so new functionalities don't get buried or lost underneath everything that is being created. So now having that out of the way on all the stuff that got fixed or all the stuff that got put in, basically everything that I listed out that I was thinking about looking into and working on last video, I was able to complete or fix or work on, and now I am fully satisfied with it. So like I said, over the course of next week and this video, we'll just be going through and cleaning up the actual project. So like I said, a lot of this is old stuff in here, and I just think it'd be beneficial if I were to look through it and see if any of this needs to get removed. So this whole thing right here is stuff from recent files I made. So all this is coding, programming, and stuff like that, which is running a lot of stuff that we have currently. So I will not be getting rid of any of that. I'll be moving it to scripts. So I'm just gonna move it in here. And from now, I'm gonna just go in here and see whatever, see the scripts and stuff I need to get rid of. A lot of this stuff is well organized in here. But some of this stuff is not even really used or needed anymore because it has been replaced by a RTS script of some kind. So when I remove a lot of these, we probably won't need it. So I don't know if I want to let you guys watch while I do this, because this is going to be very tedious. This is going to be me cleaning. But I did want to give you guys an update for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays and your New Year. If anything, I am in Discord, so if you have any questions, wonder about the Ether Liquid prototype, you can chat with me in Discord, or you can ask in the comments about it, and I wouldn't mind sharing a link with you guys so you can go and check it out. There are still many bugs and many things that need to be fixed with the Ether Liquids project. I'm still debating about how I would like to, cache all those bugs into one giant list, so people know that I am interested in working on those bugs, or at least those bugs have been reported. And when I make that list, then I'll make sure to keep it updated so everyone knows which bugs have been already reported. And then when I finally do an update of the project and start to bring them into betas and then eventually alpha phases and stuff like that, those bugs will be fixed completely with those being taken out of existence. This kind of finishing what that project is supposed to be. So overall, that project has all the base code that it needs. I don't see it needing to be completely rewritten or anything. A lot of the functionality for the game loop, all that is in there. It's just little things like UI elements not completely working, and replacing all of the art for it with created art for that specific game. Of course, music and sound effects being replaced, and just a complete overhaul of it, and just complete fixing of that. But as far as the base code and game loop and the concept of the game is there, so I'm really excited to get this project right here to that point. And I think once this project is at that point as well, then I'll be interested in publishing it out on the same page, itch page, so you guys can take a look at it and be able to play this, Dominion Zero along with Ether Liquids, and hopefully I'll be adding a lot of more game titles to that same itch page as we go along, and bring all these to a prototype phase where it is playable. So outside that, I didn't have anything else I wanted to show you guys. I'll be constantly and working on this project and cleaning it up, and then hopefully either by next week or the week after next, you guys will be able to see possibly a new thing added to this project. I'm thinking about either build placement or AI running different factions. So each AI will run the faction as like a player would, and be able to attack the player and other factions throughout the game, giving the feel of a real RTS game and skirmish map. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys, and be able to play it with that, with both of those functionalities, or one of those functionalities added. So but the main purpose of this video and next video and the video after that is to build a stronger foundation, to share experiences, to have fun, and to enjoy yourself. So anyway, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a nice day. Bye.